What's up, YouTube? So this video is concerning my other Fulton flashlight, which apparently is a, see if this thing focuses, explosion / waterproof. And I wanted to make this video because compared to a regular Fulton flashlight, the one which I disassembled earlier in order to try and fix the issues with it. I mean, the thickness of it, the thickness of the various parts, it's, it all looks to be the same, really. I don't see any visible difference in the thickness of the material, so, and these are interchangeable, so, yeah, I haven't really noticed any visible difference. The only thing that you can tell that this is the waterproof / explosion proof Fulton is because it says here, see if you can read this, for use in the following: explosive atmosphere. Oh my god, phone is terrible in focusing. Just a second, see if this thing goes. Okay, explosive atmospheres. Only gasoline, petrol, or petroleum. And then, what else does it say? Naphtha, alcohol, acetones, see if I can read this through the phone. Lacquer, solvent, vapors, and natural gas. So yeah, what else does it say here? Permissible electric flashlight. Tested in methane air. Okay. Mixture only. So yeah, that was quite a bit to read. And then what else is there I can see? Trying to read this through the phone while this thing tries to focus is just horrible. Okay. Approval number, yada yada. Oh my god. There we go. Issued to the Fulton Industries Incorporated. Oh my goodness. Come on, man. Wowson, Ohio. Okay. That's about it, really. I'm trying to read the last bit of stuff here, but it doesn't really don't really need to read it. It's nothing completely useful from what I can tell. Let's see. Shit sakes. Listed type flashlight for use in I'm guessing hazardous something class group, yeah, whatever, etc. So yeah, basically I wanted to make this video just because I wanted to show this, showcase this flashlight, and the fact that, to be fair, I haven't been able to discern any real differences between a standard Fulton flashlight and the waterproof slash explosion proof version of it. You know, it seems to be the exact same hard plastic kind of casing, and the only thing that really differs here is the color. As you can see, standard OD green is your most popular Fulton flashlight, the way they come usually, whereas this is black. The main body is black, and it has these yellow fittings on it. And here it has the same what's it called? The same O-rings, like that you basically put onto, that you screw on up here just to basically have different colors and such. But yeah, I guess this is just a quick review, and you know, what can I say, guys? There's really not that much difference that I can tell from a regular Fulton flashlight. Although it is reassuring that this is waterproof. Hence why I previously tried to soak this in vinegar as well, hoping that it would still work, and you know, obviously it got cleaned out really well, and but unfortunately there may have been an issue prior to all this. Maybe some of the corrosion down there, you know, got the best of it. I don't know, to be fair. I don't know what happened with this one. But yeah, this one still works fine, never had an issue. Obviously it's newer, and still left the tag on it just because, well, you know, never bothered to take it off really. But yeah, and switching the bulbs around, I couldn't tell any difference as well, you know, and you know how bright the light was. Seems to be about the same. So yeah, guys, just a quick video on this Fulton flashlight, and yep, I honestly can't tell the difference between this and a regular one. So yeah, if you're in the market for a Fulton flashlight, don't overpay for these or anything like that just because, you know, it says waterproof or explosion proof. You're pretty much just as good getting a regular one, and you know, if you find them for the same price, you know, it's you know, you can basically choose which one you prefer. But I still prefer the OD green, I think. You know, just a standard OD green. But you know, since this is basically FUBAR, I'm just gonna have to keep it for spare parts, like the bulb and, you know, the screw-on cap here. And in fact, I might just switch it around and make this a bit more camouflaged. Have the OD green on here, and you know, give it a bit of a more tactical look. You know, there you go. Works just as well. So yeah, 9 minutes almost. Wow. Okay. Let's wrap this up. Just a Fulton flashlight, guys. No discernible difference from the regular one, from the OD green one. But yeah, just so you know, waterproof and explosion proof. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.